friends, welcome back again. Today I'll be discussing with you some basic and interesting tips, especially for lazy people who doesn't want to exercise and also for the people who doesn't have time for the exercise in this busy life and schedule, of course. So, as we all know that we everyone want to lose weight but doesn't want to exercise, right? Many of us is like get want to get backstep when it comes to exercise. I am one of them. So that's why I have found out some basic exercises and tips so that including me and also everyone can uh, can get a lot of help from this. So let's see. So first of all, uh, my first point is like stick to tens. What does it means? It means that at least you should follow 10 repetitions. Like if you are like example, take push-ups. So not more, just do 10 push-ups or 10 sit-ups in a day, not more than 10. So it will what it will give, like it will help you to do your exercise, and also you will not get bored, and also that the lazy factor uh, which comes in between you and exercise, that also get get stable. So better prefer doing only 10 times, not more than that. Okay, this is the first point. Now second, now if you are in a workplace and doesn't have time, or like full day you're working from 10 to 9 or 10 to 7, and after that by getting home you don't have time and you feel like lethargic and lazy. So what you can do in your office only, like just try to stand up in every half an hour if you are sitting, like for anything, like going to toilet, talking go and talk to your colleague, and go and have some green tea or tea, so that because of that you will get up from your chair and just roam around in your office or workplace. So, so now you understand, if you are sitting for 7 hours a day and you are getting up every half an hour, so you see how much time your body is like standing and sitting. So it will help you very much in maintaining your blood flow and also the stiffness that your body gets when you're sitting for the whole day, right? So just try to follow this. It doesn't need any like any time or any efforts. It is just happening while sitting in your office. Getting it? Okay, now the third one, you should walk for at least 20 minutes. Give a time for walking for at least 20 minutes in a day, not more than 20. The 20 minutes will happen like your suppose if you are in your home, and try to go to kitchen and take your own plate and serve dinner for you. Go and keep your TV remote far away from you, so that you will intentionally go and pick up the remote. So link the things like this, so that you can get in touch with walking and exercise in every step of your day, in every step of the thing in a day what you're doing. Okay, so this is the third thing. Fourth, you can just sit in on your sofas and do the workout. Like if you're watching TV and you're sitting on the sofa, while sitting there you can do like triceps dips, and push-ups you can do, abs you can do, lunges you can do. So just look in this way, that how much you can help your body to move while in sitting position. You can do straight leg raises while lying on the bed. You can also do cycling position, reverse cycling position, and bridging, etc. Just thinking in a positive way, that if you want to lose weight and stay fit, you need to do something that can efforts you in many ways. So just try to do these things while on your sofa or in the bed. Now the second thing is like switch it off all the devices for at least like 1 to 2 hour in a day, and give some time for yourself. Instead go to sleep, but don't use devices for at least 1 to 2 hours in a day. It will keep your body and mental status and mental health very nice. so that automatically your mind will get diverted, and you will avoid watching that like negativity or the things which you are getting addicted. It will help you, like your eye, while watching the TV and Netflix and all, your eyes are getting strain on your eyes and the neck movements, and continuously sitting for watching TV in one position. It is making your body like painful and stiffness day by day. So just avoid using gadgets, TV, mobile and everything for at least 1 to 2 hours in a day. Instead, go to sleep or watch read a book. It will be a great option for you. Now secondly, one interesting thing I can tell you, that if you are don't want to run or don't want to do anything, so do just one thing: put your headphones and just play one song, just one song, and run for that one song only, just one song. And when the songs get ended up, you stop your running. Now you see here, while listening song, instead of sitting on your bed and listening song, you are just running over that song. So it is like helping your body to get work it out by itself, and like without any effort, and giving special time to work out, you are doing the workout in the same time while listening the song. Getting it? Now this is also one of the way to stay fit. Now also one more thing I must say you, that if you're fond of watching TV, so you need to do what, see, when the advertisement comes in between your serials or daily soaps or anything, so during that advertisement time, you just roam around your home, bring a glass of water for you, or make 5 to 6 rounds by walking, or doing anything like ankle pumps, or stretching, or like running around the home, or just whatever it is comfortable for you, and you can do it comfortably. As the ad finishes, you again come and sit on your sofas. Then again the ad comes, you go back for a walk. Now you see here also, you are making your body to work by intentionally. You are instead of sitting on sofa, you are just going and working around. So it we don't realize this small things, but it really helps your body. Like 5 minutes of workout also helps your body, the blood circulation, the breathing pattern, everything. So this is what we need to know, that only going to gyms and zumbas and classes will make you lose weight. It is not like that. You can just lose weight being at your home, sitting on your sofas and in your bed. Just give it a priority and give it a time, so that it will automatically get sorted. And the last point, which you should never forget, that get enough of sleep every day. The more you sleep, the more your body will what to say, your body, the rest which you are giving to your body is very very necessary. In this busy schedule, your body doesn't get time to rest. So sleeping in a proper time from 9 or 10, whatever time it is for them, but you need to get the sleep at least for 7 to 8 hours. Before sleeping, keep your gadgets away 1 hour before going to bed. Keep your gadgets away, so that your sleep will not get disturbed, and you will get a sound sleep. It will help your organs and functions and body, muscles, bones, everything to get functional properly. So just give it a time to sleep more and more. And also the techniques I have told you for doing the workout, try this and let me know. Bye.